So let me show you some quick flip through before we get into the fun part. I usually start off with prepping my pages with matte gel medium. It's kind of a primer for acrylic paints and it makes pages harder, more sturdy and ready for mixed media. I also glue some paper scraps using the same gel medium. And I wait for it to dry. It can take some time. When the surface is fully dry, I use Pitt Artist pens from Faber-Castell. Before they dry, I have a few seconds to smudge them. Then I place some pictures I printed alongside with some tickets and other souvenirs from London, because this page is inspired by London, by the way. I compose my page and then I use matte gel medium again to stick everything to the surface. I leave it to dry and again it can take some time. Be patient because if it's not fully dry, it can destroy your pens. And now you can see that I'm using my Pitt Artist pens to fake some coffee stains. I love this little detail and I add it in almost every page. And we are done. That was quick and simple, right?